Hello DIY mommies, welcome back. Birthdays, anniversaries, trips, journeys, exams, 100 other occasions where we want to wish our loved ones. And these days, we just prefer to make a video or just edit their pictures. But I still feel those old days of making handmade cards and giving it in person was still the coolest. So we can preserve this by teaching our kids to make some little cards in very easy and simple ways from things available at home. Do check this one. Just fold the paper and cut any shape that you like. I cutted flowers. You can cut hearts, you can cut other kind of flowers, anything that you want, stars, and let them just stick it. Cut a hole in between and border it, and inside write happy birthday or whatever you want. Let the child use their imagination. Cut oval shapes of different colors and let them stick randomly. Don't guide them on where to stick. See, Naira is sticking on her own, and after they are done, just border it and write alphabets, happy birthday or whatever you want. Make few 3D flowers. If you don't know that, stay tuned to know how to make 3D flowers in some other video. And let them just stick 2 or 3 or maximum 4 would be great, and let them put Fevicol and stick those flowers like Naira does it on the first page. Only 4, 5 3D flowers would give the look.
Very good, Naira. Bijam
of an
put
entire
karo.
professional card.
Okay. हाँ बीजू put करो. Okay. Slowly, Naira.
चलो आगे चलने बेटा.
When you open a card, cut out a 3D bouquet kind of an image and put small green strips, and I had cut flowers from that flower cutter, which are cutters that are easily available, and allow them to stick it randomly. This is basically for kids from 1.5 to maximum 2.5. Paint and earbuds and let them use their imagination. It will look cute when dried. Mother's Day card, because I feel it's important to teach the child to value the mother right from the beginning, so that when they grow up they know how much we have sacrificed for them. So yes, I only taught her how to make a Mother's Day card for me. You can do it for yourself too.
Superb, Navya. Very good.
Super Navya. Super Navya.
Add few cars and make a road. This with a finger, she had tried to make the tree with a fingertip, and then I gave a finishing touch. This one is very innovative, very cute, and yet very simple. Just make a girl and backside make a flap of her hair. Inside a bland girl and outside a flap. It's a Mundan card. Hope you like it. Hope you liked it. It was easy to make, fun to teach. And trust me, it will really feel special when you give it hand to hand and the person can hold the card for years to come. So do try it, like and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.